Now we go to the defense. At number three, Gustavo Gómez, 33 years old, 5'10 from Palmeiras, the center back, the captain of this team, obviously has the responsibility of predecessors like Justo Villar, like Carlos Gamarra, like Jose Luis Chilaver, like Rogelio Delgado in the past. And now he gets the responsibility of captaining his team at the World Cup. We've seen that. He's been involved in 4 qualification campaigns since 2014. He's seen it all. He's been through it all. He's been criticized throughout everything. And, obviously he's such an inspirational leader for Palmeiras and, of course, for Paraguay. I think, all the recognition that he should be given for what he's been doing for Palmeiras as one of their greatest ever players, maybe the best Paraguayan player ever in Brazilian football history. Now he gets the chance to captain his country.
At a certain point, you thought that he was going to have a long career in Europe, right? When he made it to Milan, and you were thinking to yourself, okay, this guy, we're going to have a center back for a while there in Europe. But then he ended up, coming to Brazil, and he became a legend in Palmeiras. Probably his prime has passed him by a bit, but you can see that he's still one of the best players in Palmeiras. He's going to take this tournament in a very special way. He scored important goals already for Palmeiras as a center back. I mean, let's not forget about that. He's very important in set pieces.